channel. For all my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. Thank you for just hanging out with me today. My name is Lizzie, aka Chanel. The name of my channel is Lizzie Luxury. Lizzie Luxury is your one-stop channel for everything beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. If you have passion, love, interest in maybe one or all of the subjects, just like I do, you have come to the right place. Please make yourself comfortable, get you a glass of wine or a glass of champagne, because today I have another hot, interesting product to review for you guys. I am excited about this product, I'm excited about this review, and I am hoping you guys are going to enjoy this review. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to help my channel grow. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so each time I upload a new video, you would be the first to know. Without any delay, I am going to jump straight into this review. So today, what I got came in this beautiful white box. On the front, you can see it is none other than Moschino Couture Milano. Yes, yes, and yes. Moschino is an Italian fashion house, high-end luxury designer. The brand or the company Moschino was founded in the early 1980s by Franco Moschino. Moschino is known for their high energy, colorful, unapologetic, eccentric style. If you are familiar with the brand Moschino, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. This is all thanks to the creative director, Jeremy Scott. Yes, he has some unique creations and very strong, impactful collections. So this item, I purchased it from the Bloomingdale's online boutique. Of course, we have our dust bag. On the front here, you can see it says Moschino Couture Milano. Moschino Couture Milano. On the back, it is just plain. We have two envelopes, mini envelopes. On the front of each envelope, it says Moschino Milano. Moschino Milano. We have our invoice. They also send me a newsletter, kind of like a newspaper. It is the Bloomingdale's Times. It says Bloomingdale's turns 150. So guys, Bloomingdale's is 150 years old. Congratulations to Bloomingdale's. Good customer service, and they have some of the most amazing products. And inside this box, we have this gorgeous belt that I have wanted for such a long time. It is the Moschino Couture Milano gold galvanic black leather logo belt. Moschino Couture Milano gold galvanic black leather logo belt. It is extremely beautiful. A lot of designers are rocking this belt. This belt has two studs on one end, and it has 6 holes on the other end. It is an adjustable belt. It has a press stud closure. So that's how it is described. Press stud closure. So that's how you would secure this belt on your waist. Beautiful. I like the fact that it's adjustable. So that way, if I gain weight or lose weight, I don't have to worry about the length of the belt. You know how that goes. So you can adjust it depending on the size of your waist. It's beautiful. The Moschino logo is front and centered on this belt. The gold tone finish of the logo combined with the black color of the belt gives the belt such a beautiful, beautiful silhouette. It is well crafted. Again, thanks to Jeremy Scott and his team. They are doing such an amazing job. Amazing job at Moschino. This belt is 2 inches wide. So if you were to measure this belt from here to here, it would give you 2 inches. And the length is 44. I initially ordered this belt in the size 40, in terms of the length. I spoke to the representative at Bloomingdale's because the sizing chart or the chart guide was different or is different from what I'm familiar with. I initially ordered this belt in the size 40 in terms of the length. Prior to ordering this belt, I spoke to a customer service representative at Bloomingdale's because I wasn't quite sure, because the size guide on the website is completely different from what I'm familiar with. So I told her my waist size so that way I could choose the right size of the belt in terms of the length. Unfortunately, the belt came and it was too short. So I returned that belt, got a refund, reordered the belt in a size 42, and I had the same problem. It was still short. But because I wanted this belt so bad, I got my refund and then I just reordered the belt in the size 44. And again, when I say size 44, I am talking about the length of the belt. Yes, so this belt is size 44. So just be mindful when you go to their online size guide or size chart. Just be very mindful. The sizing is completely different. To me, it's different from what I'm used to, because I have a lot of belts and I have never ever had a problem with my size because I know exactly what my size is and I just order online, and again, I've never had a problem. But in this case, again, their sizing chart is different. So that is something to keep in mind, guys. So of course, this belt is made in Italy. This belt is made with 100% calf skin leather. This belt is very soft and very smooth. This belt would add sophistication and it would elevate any outfit. And I am sure you guys would agree with me. It is simple yet sophisticated. It is such a beautiful piece, well crafted. This belt, I'm telling you guys, you are going to love this belt. It comes in different sizes and different colors. Please check out the Moschino online boutique if you're interested in this belt, if you're on the market shopping for a belt, or you can just go straight to the Bloomingdale's online boutique. I am not sure about like the Bloomingdale's physical store, but again, I got the belt from their online boutique. I would truly recommend this belt for anyone who is looking for a belt. It is just beautiful, gorgeous belt. I love it. This belt comes with 2 tags. On this first tag here, it says Moschino Couture. I'm gonna show it to you guys. You see the top tag says Moschino Couture, and then on the second tag you can see it has a price, $470. And then you have the size here, size 44. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I also have the price on the box. I don't know if you guys can see, $470. Again, please check out the Moschino online boutique or just go straight to Bloomingdale's. A lot of the major brands like even Nordstrom, Saks Fifth Avenue, they all carry this belt. But I could only find the 2 inches wide on the Bloomingdale's website. I am very used to wide belts, so this is like my smallest belt in terms of the measurement in width. This is my smallest belt so far, but I love it. I'm not complaining. I love this belt. I am going to rock this belt for a very long time. I did a review on the Moschino Couture Milano gold galvanic sandals. I have a little picture here of that sandals. Please check that out. I also did a review on the Moschino Couture gold galvanic leather pump, and I have that pump here with me. So the leather pump or the leather sandals with this belt is just gonna match so perfectly. Beautiful. That's why I really wanted this belt, because I know I already have the sandals, I have the pump, so putting them all together is just gonna be like taking my style to a whole different level. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you all for your support. There will be no lazy luxury